let's start and further move on to the another topic of chapter number 6, market mechanism. Now your next heading is importance of time element. See, what is the importance of time element in deciding the price? How time plays an important role in deciding the price. See, according to Marshall, he says time element plays an important element. Means time is a very important element in deciding the price of a commodity. For example, the current situation that is going on in our country, that is the corona period. In this, what we have seen, that supply cannot be increased, due to which the prices of the products are increasing. As the lockdown period is over and again the production started, and now you can again see the prices are moving down and down. So let's see further what Marshall have explained in the time element. See, Marshall said time element is divided into 4 periods. Very short period, long period and very long period. See, very short period is the time when only the goods that are manufactured and are kept as a stock in your godowns, is a very short period. In this period, the production cannot be increased. Only the supply can be there by bringing the goods from godown to the market. And in the short period, we can change the supply by using the labor that we will study in the details in the next further chapter. That is your return to factor and return to scale. Now in this part only you understand that short period is a period in which the supply can be increased but up to a limit. Only labor and raw material can be used in the existing factory so that the supply can be increased. Whereas a long period is that period in which company can change their resources and increase their production. Whereas in the very long period, company can change totally demand and supply, and they can even produce a new product, give a new name, anything.
Start.
Moving further on with the topic. Now let's study the first heading, very short period. Very short period is also known as market period. The reason behind it is known as market period is this. In this, the supply is perfectly inelastic. And only there is demand change. Demand is changing, but there is no change in supply. As I have already told you, it is only the goods that are in your godowns you can only supply to the market. In this condition, the production cannot be increased. Only the goods that are already manufactured can be supplied to the market. Example, again let's take another example, rice. Rice can only be increased when there is a next harvest. Otherwise, the rice that are already stored in your godowns can be supplied to the market. That is why in this condition, supply curve is like this. That is your perfectly inelastic one. Whereas demand will remain the same like this. And this will be your equilibrium. And if in this condition, by the way your demand increases, it will go further. The price will go rise and rise. Now the next heading, that is your short period. See, in this time element, the production can be increased by using the variable factors. As to produce the goods, there are the two factors, your fixed factors. In detail I will explain you in the next chapter, but here you just understand that to produce the goods there are the two factors, fixed and the variable. As in the short period, it means 1 or 2 or 3 months. For example, it depends on company to company what is the time short period for a company. Sometimes it's 1 month, sometimes it's 2 or 3 or 4 months, and even sometimes it's 1 year for some companies. See, only there will be a change in variable factors. Variable factor means your labor and and your raw materials. We can use these two elements and we can produce the goods. As we will produce the goods, the supply can be increased. That is why in this condition, that is the short period, supply will be like this only as the usual curve. It's a short period. And demand will be as usual that we have studied. And this will be your equilibrium point. Clear what is the short period? See further in this next heading, that is the long period. In the third heading, long period, it is a long enough to enable an industry to adjust its supply completely to change in demand. In this means, in this condition, long period, new companies can enter and even they can leave the industries. If they are having the profit, they can enter the industry, and if they are bearing a loss, they can leave the industry also. So that is why in this condition supply can totally be changed according to the change in demand in the market. That is why in this condition, that is a long period, price in this period is called as normal price. And how we will make the supply curve and how will it affect the equilibrium? Let's see. In this diagram, supply is your less elastic. Only the difference between long period and the very long period is supply curve is less and more. It is elastic, but they are slightly less elastic than in a very short period that I will explain you in another handling. And that is your demand. And again, this is your equilibrium. But only the difference is it is here less elastic. Everybody clear? Now, in this heading, that is a very long period, that is your last time element. In this heading, again, it is a long enough to adjust supply, but supply now here can be changed fully. Fully it can be changed completely, but 100% in this condition to change in demand. Here the price is also called secular price. That is why the supply curve here it is made is more elastic than the previous one. This is your supply curve that is more elastic than your previous one. And this will be your equilibrium. Very long period, and this is your equilibrium. Here the supply curve is more elastic or greater than elastic. Everybody clear with all the time periods that I have explained you? Very short period is also known as market period. Short period that in which only the supply can be changed up to a limit by changing its raw material and the labors. In the next condition, that was your long period, supply can change. It can change according to the demand. In that condition, the supply can enter and go. That is why supply is totally elastic, but that is less elastic as comparison to a very long period. There, in that condition also supply is elastic, and in this condition, but when we compare long period with a very long period supply can be more elastic than the short period. Only that this is the difference between long period and the very short period. Sorry, long period and very long period. In this, the difference between both is it is elastic, and this will be more elastic than the previous. Okay children,